Hi guys, welcome back to Spotaria channel. Today in this video, I'll show you how to change a website's text size in Safari on iPhone. But as always, before you continue this video, I hope you like, comment and subscribe to support this channel, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So without any further ado, let's get started. Well, firstly, to get started, open the Safari browser on your iPhone. I'm gonna open it right now. And now visit the web page where you want to increase or decrease the text size. I'm gonna search Aladdin storytelling. Next, tap the A letter button on the left hand side of the URL bar here. And tap the bar left A button to reduce the text size like that. And it will be smaller. Or tap on the bar right A button to increase the text size like that. It will be a bigger. So yeah, that's it guys. I think it's enough. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this video will help you. Don't forget to leave your comment in the column below. I'll see you soon in the next one and good luck.